Are you running out of space for your maize silage this season? Or perhaps you're a small to medium-scale dairy farmer who wants to store silage without investing in costly infrastructure? Don't worry. A well-prepared temporary field clamp could be your smartest move this harvest. Simple, efficient, and surprisingly effective, temporary field clamps are increasingly popular among dairy farmers looking for short-term but high-quality silage storage solutions. Done right, they not only preserve feed value but also protect the environment and comply with agricultural regulations. So, let's dig into the practical steps, best practices, and smart tips to help you create a successful temporary field clamp for your maize crop. First one is, pick the perfect site. Avoid drainage risks. Steer clear of field drains or low-lying areas. Stay eco-conscious. Maintain a 10-meter distance from watercourses and at least 50 meters from wells or boreholes. Level is best. A flat site makes compaction easier and minimizes effluent runoff. Second one is, prepare the surface, but don't strip it. Contrary to instinct, don't remove topsoil or add hardcore. Let the natural soil microbes work to break down effluent. Spread a layer of clean straw or dry absorbent material to help soak up excess moisture. Third one is, build it layer by layer. Fill the clamp in 15 cm thick layers. Compact each layer thoroughly. This step is key to good fermentation. Aim for a density of about 750 kilograms per cubic meter. Use a tractor or loader to drive over each layer repeatedly. Don't rush this, it makes or breaks silage quality. Fourth one is, seal it tight. Oxygen is your enemy. Cover the silage with 2 layers of polythene sheeting. Add a top layer of silage bags, gravel bags, or soil to keep everything airtight. You can even place an old net or mesh above to deter birds and wildlife. Fifth one is, effluent management is essential. Effluent seepage is a real risk. If your site is wet, use temporary drainage or catchment channels to safely collect and manage runoff. Remember, effluent pollutes quickly, especially near waterways, so treat it like liquid gold or potential hazard. Sixth one is, regular checks keep it fresh. Inspect your clamp regularly. Look for air pockets, tears in the plastic, or pooling effluent. Make repairs fast. Even small breaches can lead to spoilage. A word on regulations. Check with your local environmental authority. Ensure that your clamp is temporary and low risk. Consider bunding or lining the site for added security if storing for longer periods. Final word, a smart dairy farmer's silage secret. Temporary maize clamps might look humble, but they're a powerful solution for smart, flexible dairy farming. By following these expert-approved steps, you're not just storing silage, you're safeguarding your dairy cattle's nutrition, protecting the environment, and maximizing your harvest value without expensive infrastructure. So this season, don't let limited storage limit your potential. Build it right, clamp it tight, feed them bright.